Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Razin bin Raihan. I representative for KKTM Kemaman for the iCOMPEX 2022, and my partner is Muhammad Hasif bin Wan Zuraidi, and our supervisor name, our lecturer, T.S. Shahrudin bin Radin. So our project name called Visitor Counter and Auto Door Lock. Idea and innovation of our project is inspired by the current state of the world facing COVID-19 pandemic, also known as a coronavirus pandemic. This project is the one of the system that can ensure visitor or customer are in control and always complying with standard operation procedure SOP with the maximum limit at any time in any closed area. And problem solving, this project can save the manpower controlling the entrance of premise. The door will control automatically according to the number of limit that we have been set. This project system can prevent the transmission of COVID-19 disease. So this is our prototype. As you can see, we have a LCD sensor and motor servo, and the back of the inside the prototype we have Arduino and cable lah. So this motor servo will be open and close the door, and the sensor can detect customer or people that want to come in or out at the mall. So target market for our project is such as supermarket, mosque, mall, and all indoor premise. For the money making promotion strategy, number 1 is exhibition, number 2 physical advertising, number 3 online advertising, number 4 advertising through key partner, and revenue stream, number 1 sale, number 2 predict maintenance, number 3 emergency maintenance. So the cost of the prototype is RM 350, including the idea of cost, complete prototype, revenue, and time. So our project is actually can be upgraded, such as we can upgrade put the temperature sensor that will be detect sensor temperature of the people, so that can we know about the temperature of the people can enter the mall or not. So that our upgrade for this project, so this can prevent COVID-19 disease in the closed area. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching. I hope we can save from the COVID-19, and that's all. Thank you.